First and foremost, I want to give all praises, honor, and great glory to Yahweh, Bahashem, Yahushai, Bahashem Rachakwadash. Double honors to the apostles and elders of Great Millstone that rule well, and salutations to the elect pushing this truth to the four corners of the earth in truth and in sincerity. In this particular video, I want to get some definitions to prove that this is not a day of partying and bullshit and who has the best garment on and hop out of cars and show your garment off, having bottle girls and partying and rapping and all of this other. This is not one of those days. This is a holy convocation, a serious day, a formal and a dignified day. Okay? This is the day that the Lord was also sold out by Judas, that he was grabbed up. This is not a day of laughing. This is it's a sad day for real. As a matter of fact, when Yahushua told the disciples that one of you will betray me, they were what? They were sorrowful. And all of them started asking, is it I? Is it I? That they weren't happy. They didn't have bottle girls walking around. They were sad. They were sorrowful. And I think I mentioned already, he was betrayed on this same day. So whoever's out there doing, rapping, singing, at the best Passover, that lamb is all seasoned up, got onions on it, and hey, these are wrong. This is the wrong attitude, and these people are carnal. They don't get the true meaning of the Passover. So let's get some definitions. I want to hop into Exodus 12 and 16. And the first day there shall be an holy convocation. All right? And that holy convocation, I'm going to get that. And then the seventh day there shall be a holy convocation to you. Now, the Passover is a holy convocation. All right, what does convocation mean? We know holy means separate, undefiled. Convocation means what? A large formal assembly of people. Right. And you could keep it with your family, or some brothers, you keep it together. And like the elder Manata Zakba said, if you keep it with brothers, after you do it, just go home. It's not to stick around and everybody laughing and joking and getting sauced. Everybody's sauced and they joking around. It's not a day of that. This is a formal event, man. All right. And speaking of formal, it's a solemn event, a solemn assembly, a formal and dignified, man. Dignified, ceremonious, ceremonial, salakia. Okay. What does it say? Not cheerful. Let me highlight that. Not cheerful or smiling. Serious, earnest, grave, unsmiling. Okay? Genuine, sincere, earnest, come on, honest, firm, committed. This day is not for joking around. And who's the coolest? And now, I'm pretty sure you have camps popping up in your mind who does this, man. This day is sacred. So I have this up right here. Sacred. Because we could get the word convocation right here too. Something called out. Public meeting. Also a rehearsal. Right? Because we got to rehearse the righteous acts. I'm going to say that. Assembly. Calling convocation. Reading. All right? But here's it is. Sacred assembly. Sacred. What is sacred? Connection with the Most High. Or dedication to a religious purpose. And so deserving veneration. Holy. Hallowed. Blessed. Consecrated. Sanctified. Dedicated. All right? You see that? This day is sacred. This day is holy. This is a solemn assembly. We're not supposed to be smiling and joking around. Everybody partying and bullshitting. We got music in the background. We got girls half fucking dressed. And that's pretty much the point. Alright, so I hope this was edifying. With that, I'm gonna say shalom.